Union Cabinet has in fact cleared the amendments made to the draft Lokpal Bill. MOS PMO V. Narayanasamy, while speaking to Times Now, said amendments to the Lokpal Bill are based on the Select Committee recommendations.
If the CBI finds a prima facie case, the CBI has to still take the views of if the Lokpal finds a prima facie case, the Lokpal has to take the views of the accused public servant, is it, before ordering an inquiry?
When the prima facie case comes, when the Lokpal receives a complaint, is it not the duty of the Lokpal to hear the views of the other side? Because, you know, any jurisprudence which says a person against whom complaint is lodged, his views have to be heard. Therefore, Lokpal cannot suo moto take up anything. They should go by the rule book.
Today, even Arvind Kejriwal had said that this is the first time that an accused person's views are taken even before prosecuting him during that process. So what do you have to say regarding that?
No, this is as far as the allegations that have been raised. Supposing in the course of inquiry, in the course of investigation, the allegations are proved to be false, what Arvind Kejriwal and company will say? Because, you know, opportunity, reasonable opportunity has to be given to the person against whom the charges are leveled against.
But your own law minister has said that the accused public servant should not be given a chance to explain himself in all the three stages of investigation, because he will then try and destroy evidence.
No, nobody will destroy evidence. Evidence will be there already, because the person who is filing a complaint will have a documentary proof that is there. And apart from that, the Honorable Law Minister has said that, you know, the opportunity has to be given.
The last question, Mr. Arun Jaitley has said that the government is trying to control the CBI through the Lokpal, and if they don't control the CBI through the Lokpal, then they will not be able to control the voting in the parliament. How do you want to react to that?
No, BJP has been raising this issue always. They say that Congress is kind of using the CBI and all. This is the regular slogan of BJP for their own convenience, because as far as our government is concerned, our Prime Minister is concerned, our government is concerned, we go by the rule book. There is a Vinith Narayanan's case which clearly defines the independent functioning of CBI. Government never interferes in the functioning of CBI. In fact, if that being the case, if the government interferes, so many Congress leaders would not have been arrested and they should not have been behind the bars. Because the CBI is functioning. Why every state government, every public sector undertaking, every central government organization wants CBI to investigate the case because of the reputation which CBI keeps. Therefore, the BJP, for political reason, they raise the issue, because BJP, you know, when they are in power, they will say they want CBI. When Congress is in power, they say they don't trust CBI. This is their political agenda, BJP's political agenda.
That was Mr. Narayanasamy, the DOPT minister, justifying the amendment of the Lokpal bill, which was cleared in the cabinet today. With video journalist Sanjeev Kalai, this is Prema Sridevi in New Delhi for Times Now.